following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at 8 p.m. DFW Airport, a thunderstorm, 71, dew point 71, relative humidity 100%, wind east at 10, pressure 29.76 inches and falling. Dallas Love Field, a thunderstorm, 72, east at 9. Fort Worth Meacham, light rain, 71, east at 10. Arlington, light rain, 74, northeast at 10. McKinney, rain, 73, east at 6. Denton, light rain, 73, southeast at 13. Elsewhere around the region, Wichita Falls, light rain, 73, southeast at 14. Abilene, cloudy, 74, southeast at 18, gusting to 31. Waco, mostly cloudy, 83, north at 25, gusting to 33. Tyler, partly cloudy, 82, northeast at 9. Once again at 8 p.m., DFW Airport, a thunderstorm, 71, east at 10.